on our natural gas for the week. So now we can see it on our natural gas. Our price is actually a bearish move, right? We can also see the trend is actually down, by the way. So one thing is which actually to follow the trend, which is to actually short it, by the way, downward. Now we can see our price has fallen. It gave us this retracement pullback. Now it has fallen. We are actually still going bearish. We are currently trading at 5.672. We would want our price to fall at about 4 points. This is exactly where we'll be aiming for our price to fall. At least 4.207. That is where we want our price to fall. But before our price falls there, we will having a pullback, which is exactly what we are starting to have on our daily time frame. A pullback to test this our area where our price broke out from, even possibly just go up to test this our area where our price got at its pullback ended. So let's see, between those area we should have a pullback to around 6.23. We are currently trading at 5.67. So we would want to be seeing our pullback to 6.23. Then we can actually see a fall on our natural gas straight to our 4.207. That is exactly what we should be aiming for on our daily time frame for our natural gas, right? Cool. Now let's go on our 4 hour time frame. You can see the trend wants to start giving us that pullback we are expecting from. It is starting to form, as we can see a pullback, a bullish move, a little bit of a pullback, now a bullish move, yes, right? And we've gotten this pullback, right? Since price closing bearish. Now it is now time to actually go bullish again, breaking our previous higher highs to at least hit this our area here where we are predicting for our price to hit. When our price possibly hits our 6.2, probably 21, then we'll probably be seeing a fall on our natural gas. Same thing our daily time frame is showing us, same thing our 4 hour time frame is showing us, and likewise our 1 hour time frame. So same thing, by the way, we will be able to trade it. So at least possibly let's wait our price breaks above our previous higher highs, then I'll say you can take your buy position straight upward. Then when we actually hit our area we are targeting, then we can actually now start aiming for a fall on our natural gas. So that is our analysis for the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you find this video helpful. Thank you.